Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a return on the Target app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and start a return on the Target app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Target app. Next, click on My Target on the bottom right-hand corner. Then click on Purchase History. Then depending whether you want to start a return for online or in-store purchases, click on In-Store, then click on the purchase that you want to start a return for, then click on Start a Return. So here's where you can decide whether you want to do an in-store return, drop-up return, or send a gift receipt. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and start a return on the Target app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.